Today's video is a DIY on simple ways to wrap Christmas presents.
Welcome to the show. Here's your host, it's Annie Talk.
Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're brand new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you've been here before, as always, thank you and welcome back. Today's video, we're going to show you simple ways on how to wrap Christmas presents. Let me first give you a backstory on how this came about. I know there are a million videos on how to wrap Christmas presents, but this one is a very special request. It came at a request from my son directly. We were at the mall the other day and he was shopping and he said he had a ton of Christmas presents to wrap and he was actually going to recruit his sister to wrap some of his presents for him. And I thought, why don't you just go online and look for DIY how-to videos on how to wrap Christmas presents? And he says, why don't you create one? So that's what prompted me to create this video on simple ways to wrap Christmas presents. But before we get into it, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video, you'll be notified. So now, on to simple ways to wrap Christmas presents.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is to make sure you have enough paper to clear both the sides of the box so that you measure here, and the paper has usually guides that you can cut along after you've measured correctly. So make sure you cut all the way across just like you're doing here. And then what I do is I flip over the box so that it's backside up, and it makes it easier to tape. And make sure you have enough on both sides and that's even, it's centered, so that when you flip one side over, you can tape this down, secure it down with tape, both sides or all the way across, so that it doesn't buckle or crease. And then you bring over the other flap and you tape this side down as well. Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to create these little flaps on the sides. So like a box top or like an envelope. So you would make little creases here so that it folds correctly. And essentially it's going to look like a little envelope kind of folded over. And then any excess paper that you have, you can fold over once more and tape it to the back side. Just like this. Make sure it's nice and secure and tight so that there's no bubbles or creases. And then you're going to want to do the same thing on the other side as well. Again, you're going to fold in the flaps so that it creates these envelope looking like flaps. And then you fold over the excess and tape onto the back side of the box. And that is a quick and easy way to wrap Christmas presents. Super easy, super simple. Anybody could do it. And this is the finished product. Voila! Now, what if you realize that you do not have enough wrapping paper to wrap the box or the present? You're short. Oh, the agony, the agony. It has happened to me far too many times. Believe it or not, there is a fix. So the idea is to rotate the box in diagonal form. So you'll use it in this fashion. So make sure the corners are covered. Tape it at the top of the tip here. Now you're going to start on one side, and the idea is to fold it in such a way so that the side is flush like this, and then you can tape it down. Then you're going to turn it around and do the other side. Now again, just fold it enough so that the sides are flush against the edge there, like that. Tape it down. And then you'll want to do the same for the other side. So there's a trick to this one. So make sure that it's flush like we're doing here, but rather than tape it down, you're going to leave that side untaped. You're going to start on the other side. You're going to make sure that side is secure, flush up against the edge, no bubbles and no creases. Now you can tape it down, and you can tape both sides down. Again, making sure that there are no bubbles and no extra creases, and cover all untaped areas. And there you go, you guys. Very cool trick.
Well, that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video on simple ways to wrap Christmas presents. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to comment, leave a comment down below and let me know if this was a helpful tutorial on simple ways to wrap Christmas presents. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video, you'll be notified. I also invite you to download and listen to the Annie Talks podcast. You can download that on Anchor, iTunes, Spotify, and just about anywhere you listen to podcasts. Thank you all again so much for watching, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We'll see you in my next video.